On March 27, 2023, the world stood still as tragedy struck the heart of a community. The Covenant School, a place meant to nurture young minds, became a place of unfathomable horror. 3 innocent children, only 9 years old, their futures ripped away. 3 adults, their lives cut short in an act of senseless violence. But let us not dwell solely on the tragedy itself. Instead, let us use this moment to reflect on the deeper issues at play: gun control, youth safety, and the state of mental health care in our nation. These are not mere talking points, but urgent matters that demand our attention right now. We cannot continue to accept these tragedies as part of our reality. We must ask ourselves, what can we do to prevent such senseless loss of life in the future? How can we ensure that these schools and our communities remain safe for our children and educators? It is easy to feel powerless in the face of such overwhelming sorrow, but we must remember that change begins with us, and we must all participate in the act of change. Let us honor the memory of those we have lost by taking action, by standing up for what is right, and by working through intentional action to create a world where tragedies like the one at the Covenant School are nothing but a distant memory. Like Mr. Rogers said, in the time of crisis, look for the helpers. And remember, we must not work in silos, but instead call each other in to build a stronger and healthier community.